BJP!
Down, down!
BJP!
Down, down!
BJP!
Resign!
Education Minister!
Resign!
Education Minister!
Resign!
Education Minister!
Resign!
Because we have to protest. For
Yeah, I understand you can protest. I'm not saying you cannot protest, but then this is a specifically, so you cannot just come in here protesting without a permission.
So yes, you understand the protocol, right?
Yes, yes. It's a protocol that I'm saying is that.
The situation that's happening in India, that's happening.
I'm also aware of it. Everyone is aware of it.
Yes, so we at this time, so we don't have the time. Still wait for permission. It's an emergency that's happening in our country. Let's say it's an undeclared emergency. So we as a responsible
I'm not saying you cannot protest. Protest is your right, but I know that, right? And everyone knows that under Article 19. But then you just cannot randomly go and block the places because this is the honorable governor way, because and now and then you need to go out of here. If you block here, then certain section will be invoked against you.
We understand that, sir, and we would like to state that government should also come out in support of our students.
And then, yes, I think in the middle of that, you should have passed.
If we come in the middle of the, say, we come in the daytime, we would have blocked the civilians' way. So right now, I think the governor should be disturbed also. If our students are not sleeping, if our students are not eating, people are they are undergoing hunger strike. So he should at least we are just blocking his way. The government right now is blocking the students' dreams.
Exactly.
We are blocking our future. So I just hope it's just a peaceful march.
Yeah.
And it's just a peaceful protest. In 5-10 minutes we are done.
Okay, then. I'll be here only.
Yeah, please.
Thank you.